Jigsaw is an instructional strategy that is not only named after the process of putting together many pieces to form one cohesive picture, but models that process as well. During a jigsaw, students disperse from their original team and work in small groups on a common task to become experts on a single topic that is part of a larger focus area, either in a lesson or a unit. For example, if the larger focus area is a tree, the subtopics could be leaves, roots, trunk and branches, and fruit. In this example, the class would be divided into teams of 4. Each team member would then be assigned one of those parts of the tree to research. In a team of 4, one student would be assigned to the leaves, another to the roots, a third to the trunk and branches, and the remaining student to the fruit. At the start of the jigsaw, each student would disperse from their teams to join their focus group. As a result, each student who was assigned to roots in their team will move to an area and share resources to learn all relevant information about roots. Simultaneously, the other 3 focus groups would gather and share resources as well. After a set amount of time, the focus groups would return to their original teams. The students would then present their information to their team. The end result is that every student in the class would have learned about all parts of a tree while only having had to become an expert on one part. In this way, a jigsaw negates the need for extended direct instruction by the teacher, while also avoiding overwhelming students with independent research responsibilities. Generally, while jigsaws place responsibility on students to acquire and present information on a topic, this activity still requires a significant amount of preparation on the teacher's part. In order for a jigsaw to be successful, it should be highly structured and well-resourced for students. On the day of a jigsaw, much of the instruction a teacher will deliver will be about the logistics of the activity, including focus group assignments, student movement details, assignment expectations, behavior expectations, and timing. Students need to know which focus group they have been assigned to, where in the room their focus group will meet, and how long they will have to work on their deliverable. Most likely, establishing clear expectations for a deliverable, whether it is a checklist, a rubric, or a capture sheet, will require the most work on the teacher's part. Included in this preparation is the task of ensuring that each focus group has adequate access to the necessary resources to successfully complete their deliverable task. These resources could include books, other readings, videos, sound recordings, etc. The benefits of a jigsaw are multifaceted. Jigsaws promote collaboration, team building, research skills, presentation skills, independent learning, and time management. The final key component of a jigsaw is the teacher's responsibility to ensure that every student has access to and can access the information that the class is expected to know for any future performance tasks. Closing a jigsaw without some sort of whole class review and reflection is a common pitfall, especially since this is one activity that can easily take more time than was originally intended. That being said, when utilizing the jigsaw strategy, it is important to understand the time constraints of class periods and proactively plan for the possibility of the activity lasting more than one day. Ensuring content standards are met should not be sacrificed due to time, nor should the process of allowing students to develop and practice transferable skills. Jigsaws are often seen as time savers in the classroom, which has the adverse effect of cutting this rich activity short. However, the value of a jigsaw should instead be placed on the simultaneous skill development and content knowledge growth that it promotes in order to allow the class time necessary to make the most of this robust strategy. When jigsaws are practiced regularly, students become accustomed to both the process and expectations, thus improving the overall outcome of the activity as well as student buy-in. See you later.